How to tone body after weight loss. Losing weight is a significant achievement, but the journey does not end there. After shedding excess pounds, many individuals face the challenge of toning their bodies to achieve a sculpted and firm physique. Loose skin, muscle definition, and overall body composition become primary concerns. This guide explores effective strategies to tighten and strengthen your body after weight loss, helping you attain a well-defined silhouette. 1. Prioritize strength training. Resistance training is essential for muscle definition. Engaging in weightlifting, body weight exercises, and resistance band workouts stimulates muscle hypertrophy, which helps fill out loose skin and creates a toned appearance. Focus on compound movements. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups engage multiple muscle groups and enhance overall strength. Isolation exercises, bicep curls, tricep extensions, and leg raises target specific areas for refined muscle definition. Progressive overload, gradually increasing weight and intensity ensures continuous muscle growth and prevents plateaus. 2. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts combine short bursts of intense exercise with brief recovery periods. This training method accelerates fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass, contributing to a sculpted look. Effective HIIT exercises include burpees, jump squats, mountain climbers, kettlebell swings. Performing HIIT sessions 3 to 4 times per week enhances cardiovascular health and improves muscle tone. 3. Maintain a protein-rich diet. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in body toning. Consuming adequate protein supports muscle repair and growth while preventing muscle degradation. Prioritize lean meats, chicken breast, turkey, and lean beef. Plant-based proteins, lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. Dairy and eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and egg whites. A daily protein intake of 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight is recommended for muscle maintenance. 4. Stay hydrated for skin elasticity. Hydration is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and overall muscle function. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily promotes collagen production, reducing the appearance of sagging skin. Incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges to supplement water intake. 5. Focus on core stability. A strong core enhances posture and overall body aesthetics. Incorporate exercises such as planks, strengthen the abdominal wall and lower back. Russian twists, define oblique muscles. Hanging leg raises, improve lower abdominal tone. Consistency in core training results in a tighter midsection and improved body composition. 6. Utilize skin firming techniques. While exercise and diet significantly contribute to toning, additional skin firming methods can enhance results. Dry brushing stimulates circulation and collagen production. Massage therapy encourages blood flow and skin elasticity. Collagen supplements supports skin regeneration and firmness. 7. Get sufficient rest and recovery. Muscle repair and toning occur during rest. Ensure 7 to 9 hours of sleep promotes muscle recovery and hormonal balance. Active recovery days, yoga, stretching, or light walks prevent overtraining. Adequate rest between workouts. Muscles need time to rebuild and strengthen. 8. Maintain consistency and patience. Achieving a toned physique is a gradual process. Set realistic goals, track progress, and stay committed to a structured routine. Celebrate small victories along the way, and remember that consistency is key to long-term success. By integrating strength training, proper nutrition, hydration, and skincare techniques, you can effectively tone your body after weight loss. Stay dedicated, and your hard work will yield a defined and sculpted physique. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.